Hello friends, today in this video right now I'm going to show you how to disconnect ptron smartwatch audio on Realme mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here first of all you have to check the Realme mobile phone and move on that setting. When you move on Realme mobile phone setting, just click on disconnected devices. After that, this is the connected devices. So if you want to disconnect or remove this ptron audio from the Realme mobile phone, this ptron smartwatch audio, just move on setting. Okay, after you have been move on setting, see the ptron audio has been connected. Okay, so if you want to remove this one, just click on forget. After that, click on forget device. Then only this ptron smartwatch audio will be removed from your Realme mobile phone. You can remove it like this. Okay, it doesn't mean that forget means you will not be able to connect it. You will be able to connect it, okay, whenever you want to connect. So friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe to the channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye bye.